Retrial of former Metro Police Detective Brett Hankison has gone home for the night. They'll return in the morning. Hello, everybody. Thanks for joining us. I'm Doug Proffitt. 6 men and 6 women working to reach a verdict now, and they asked one major question of the judge today. Isaiah Kim Martinez and senior photojournalist Alyssa Newton are reporting from 6 and Broadway.
The jury, with Brett Hankison's fate in their hands, asking the judge a crucial question early in day 2 of deliberations. 10:40 a.m. Do we need to know whether Breonna Taylor was a living victim when Brett Hankison fired? The judge's instructions are clear. To convict, jurors must find Hankison deprived a living victim of a constitutional right. It comes a day after defense attorneys' stunning closing argument that Breonna Taylor's civil rights died with her, saying Hankison fired his shots after former Detective Miles Cosgrove had already shot and killed her in the apartment. Is that hard to hear? What are your thoughts on that?
It's painful because
Breonna Taylor's family frustrated by this argument.
when you're dealing with a situation where it was a botch warrant to begin with, that's like a slap in the face. It's like adding insult to injury.
I asked U of L law professor Sam Markison, who's followed this case from the start, what to make of the jury's question.
My gut is telling me that they don't even need to ask that question unless they believe he acted recklessly and violated the civil rights of anyone who was alive.
Earlier, Breonna Taylor's mom, Tamika Palmer, briefly talking to me before heading into the federal courthouse.
Gave it to God. Son, I can do right.
For days, federal prosecutors have painted a picture of the unfathomable danger Hankison put Taylor and her neighbors in, saying neighbor Cody Etherton felt the drywall splatter on his face as the bullet whizzed by. If Brett Hankison suggests his shots didn't harm people, he is dead wrong, prosecutors told the jury. Defense attorney Don Malarsic pushing back. His shots didn't hit anyone, not a single human being. No one. Boom, boom, boom. Malarsic describing 12 seconds of chaos, what Hankison testified as sounding like machine gun fire, putting his fellow officers at risk. One of those officers, retired Sergeant John Mattingly, who was shot in the leg that night, tells me that after 4 years, much of the community feels differently about this case now.
All these things that were lies from the beginning, that this city, this department never pushed back and allowed the people to come in and destroy this place and run businesses out. Now these truths are getting out.
Will that be proven true?
I think that they have plenty of evidence to convict Brett Hankison of the charges.
Or will Hankison be the first officer from that botched raid to go to prison? Isaiah Kim Martinez, WHAS 11, on your side.